Today, the Department of Enterprise and Business Small Business Aid Scheme goes live. And this scheme is designed to help small businesses with their fixed overhead. It's a grant of $4,000 for Q1 and Q2 of 2021. Eligible businesses can apply online today through their local authority. In order to be eligible for this scheme, you must have a minimum turnover of €50,000, be a rateable business, have less than 250 employees, and have seen, on average, a 75% reduction in their turnover since 2019. I would encourage all eligible small businesses who are not in receipt of the CRISP payment or the Business Continuity Scheme through Fáil Ireland to apply online today or at the latest the 21st of April, which is closing day.